Hey guys, this is Trina at John's Furniture Repair, and I have brought you on a little visit to meet somebody that you guys kind of know, and a couple of you have asked if you could meet her. And this is my friend Laura Becker's shop, and she has done some of the really beautiful weaving projects that you guys have seen on some of our videos, but she is not a full-time weaver. She is actually a full-time glass artist, and we're gonna check out her shop because it is cool and see what she does in here. So come on with me and we'll get in here. All right guys, here I am in Laura's shop, and this is Laura. You've probably only seen like the bottom half of her, so this is the rest. It's much more beautiful. I mean, her legs are beautiful too.
Thanks.
So Laura, this is where you do your glass art.
Yes.
And you guys set this shop up like 2 years ago?
Yes. During the pandemic.
During the pandemic.
Yes.
Yes. So before the pandemic, we met because she used to do massage therapy, and I'm always a wreck because of what I do in the shop, and we actually met because she was my massage therapist. And she's like, I don't talk to people when I massage, and then I just kept talking, and now we're pretty good friends. So.
And I'm still working with my hands.
Yes, yes you are. But pandemic, didn't want to wear like 16 million layers of PPE, and you were ready to find something else.
Business became more difficult in healthcare, and it was a perfect opportunity to spend more time making and less time massaging.
But you've been making glass for a lot longer.
Yes, just over 20 years.
Wow, that's crazy.
So depending on the type of work, some of the work is hiding a view, some of it is more showcasing the different types of glass and the different details.
Very cool. And one of your other signature things is you use bottles, the bottom of really cool bottles from our local distilleries and breweries here too.
Yes.
That you have in some other work that you've done.
Yes.
Which is really cool because that's kind of historical. And if the town knew what was good for it.
Well, it connects me to my community as
well.
It does. So
it's really cool.
It allows me to recycle bottles. It allows me to, use specific items in my work and then tag those people for Instagram, and then everybody gets to see it and share, and it's fun.
Yeah, well, it kind of unites people in their history. Okay, so just checking out the tools that you use to work. And I can see you've got your saw, your soldering iron.
Yes.
Pretty simple what you have.
Very basic.
You need the skill.
This is a wet jigsaw, basically, so it's got a diamond grit bit on it. I don't use that very often. I do probably 98% of my cutting by hand with good old-fashioned pistol grips and hand tools. Yes.
Just like me.
And then I've got my grinder, which is this is the biggest, most popular tool I use for sure. It gets a lot of use. And it is 20 years old, and it is still going strong.
Oldie but goodie.
It's simple and works well.
Coffee corner.
Without the coffee.
Without the coffee. So why are we visiting you today? Why are you telling us all of your secrets?
Well, since the pandemic, and I closed my business, I've been able to focus more fully on my art, and it's been great.
Dream come true.
It's amazing, and I've been able to practice, refine my craft, get better at it. I've had some commission work, I've had some actual paycheck, but starting out, it's very difficult.
Tough.
Yeah, very difficult to have a regular income as an artist.
Yeah,
and I'm not quite there yet. So there is a contest that actually you sent me. For DIY
I sent her
Hero.
many things.
Yes. And the prize is a 2-page editorial, or I can't think of the actual word of story.
Just like a spread
highlighting
your work
in Make Magazine. I don't know if you know of Make Magazine.
I do. I don't know. You guys can look it up.
Oh, they have so much cool stuff.
They do have cool stuff.
And they also have a cash prize of $25,000, which is a big chunk of change.
That would allow you to do this work and be supported.
Yes.
And actually have the freedom to go ahead and actually do something that a lot of us, never have the time or the freedom or the financial
yes, I have some of those things, but
Yeah.
the financial support
Yes.
right now would be helpful.
Yes.
And to have my stuff out there.
Yeah.
I've been hiding this stuff for years.
Yep.
This is a year where I'm starting to put things on Instagram and put my stuff out there, and in hopes that I'll get more work. I also am very interested in having art shows and galleries, so I've I've been putting works in for that. I have a show, or I have a piece in a gallery up in Waterloo. But to get out there and to have some sort of financial breathing room, I think is the good term.
So guess what?
Would be amazing.
You guys have supported me just in like way more than I ever even imagined that would happen when I started the YouTube channel a year ago. Actually, just a couple days was the birthday. Happy birthday to channel.
Already a year?
Yeah.
Wow.
And so there is going to be a link in the description below where you can click and vote for Laura to win this $25,000 so she can continue to make this beautiful art. And I know you guys are going to blow it out of the water and surprise me again, like you always do. You're also very wonderful and supportive. And a lot of your comments have just made me cry sometimes, to be honest. And I really, really appreciate everything that you've done for me. And I thought, I'm going to share my community with my artist friend who deserves it because she works hard and this is her passion for sure. I've seen her work and she just really loves what she does. So down there, description, link, click, vote for Laura Becker and check out her work because she's going to be famous, guys. And I really, really appreciate you watching this video and coming to visit my friend with me. We'll probably have a beer now and hang out.
Yes.
But thanks so much for joining us. Thanks, Laura.
Thank you very much.
Bye.